그래, 이건 맛있어.
I never knew when today could be wrong until I found you. And to the store